This is the Honda Clarity, and lots of people ask if it has the recall for the fuel pump, the low pressure fuel pump in the gasoline tank. Well, actually, yes, it has the recall, and it's the TSB 24031. And the recall says that the fuel pump impellers will swell over time, and you will get low pressure of fuel, and the engine will not work, and the hybrid system will not work. So a lot of problems. And also there is safety hazard, and that's why they issued the recall. This recall covers the fuel pump replacement actually, and it's proper recall, so you can check your VIN and find out if the vehicle is eligible for this recall. Here is how you get the VIN. So just use this one. Not mine, I mean use your, but it's behind the windshield, and you can use it on a Honda's official website and check if your vehicle is eligible for the recall if you have the problem with the fuel pressure in your vehicle.